Yeah. So I was saying that to find the object in this sentence, this I've made it very clear. In active voice, subject is the doer. In passive voice, subject is the receiver. Now how to find the object in subject? To find the subject, we look for the verb, whatever the verb is there. And before verb, we ask what and who. This is before. If you can see, I've written it before verb. Whatever answer you get is the subject. To find the object, you write verb plus what oblique who. That is your object. Okay, so in the first sentence, I threw the ball. The verb is threw. If I ask what or who, I get the answer I. So I is your subject. Now to find the object, we will ask verb plus what or who. That is, I threw what? So the answer that I will get will be ball. Plus verb plus object. This is your sentence formation. In your active voice, the sentence formation is subject plus verb plus object. In passive voice, what is the important thing that you have to remember in passive voice? In passive voice, verb's third form. Always remember verb's third form is used. Always, whether it is present tense, past tense, future, continuous, perfect, whatever it is, you will always have verb's third form. Okay, and your tense will depend on the tense given in the active voice. Whichever tense is given in the active voice, the same tense will be there in the passive voice. So for example, threw is which tense? Past tense or present tense?
Ma'am, pass.
I'm pass.
Correct. Now in past tense, what do we use? For past tense, we've done tenses. What do we use in past tense, bacho?
Ma'am, was.
What do we use? Louder, please. Was or were? Was or were. Correct. For simple past, we use was or were. Was is used with singular and were is used with plural. Correct. So simple. Let's go rule by rule. Whatever is your subject, whatever is your subject in active voice becomes your object in passive voice. I will become me. Okay, I becomes me over here. Your object becomes the subject, the ball. It comes over here. There is always an agent by in passive voice, which has to be there. It is over here. Threw is in the second form. The third form of threw is thrown. It is a past tense. Ball is singular, so we have was. The ball was thrown by me. So what is the formation for a passive voice? It is object. Whatever is the object over there comes in the front. Whatever is in the back with the agent by, and verb's third form is always there according to the tense given in the active voice. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple. I guess it is simple till here. It is simple. Now let's see
Yes,
this one.
ma'am.
Ram made a drawing. Go step by step. What is the object in this sentence? Let's go step by
I'm
step.
drawing.
I'm drawing.
I knew you. Please don't leave the articles, determiners, your modifiers. They are not supposed to be left. If a is given, you have to say a drawing. The is written, it has to be the. You cannot leave the articles, modifiers, and determiners. Okay, so the object is a drawing. Correct?
Drawing.
A drawing. Your subject is Ram. I have written Ram. Agent by is there. Now made is past tense or present tense or future tense. Which tense is it?
I'm past tense.
Pass.
Correct.
Pass.
Past tense. Past tense. With past we use was or were. Drawing is singular or plural.
I'm singular.
Singular.
That means we will use was, right? That means we will use was. A drawing was, the third form of made is made only. A drawing was made by Ram. Correct? This is what
Yes.
the
Yes, ma'am.
then write the subject, then see the verb, then see the tense. What will be for this one? Ram makes a drawing. Go step by step. Go step.
A drawing is made by Ram.
A drawing is made by Ram.
Bacho, what is the object in this sentence? Ram makes a
Ma'am,
drawing.
Ram. Ma'am, drawing.
I'm a drawing.
A drawing.
Drawing.
A drawing. A drawing.
I'm a drawing.
By a given tense. Present, past, future.
Present.
Makes
I'm
is
present.
very good. Present tense. With present tense, what are we supposed
Ma'am,
what do
is
we
or
use
are.
present?
Ma'am, is a
Correct. Is or are. Very good. Drawing is singular or plural?
I'm singular.
Ma'am, singular.
Singular.
Is. A drawing is made by Ram. Okay, a drawing is made by Ram. Made will not change. This verb's third form only will be there. You have to use the verb's third form. The only thing is the tense. If it is present tense, you also use the present tense. If it is past tense, you also use past, future, so future. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Good, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, using the verb,
Yes.
using the verb according to your subject, whether it has to be singular is or plural are or was or were, using your verb according to your subject is known as subject verb agreement. This thing is known as subject verb agreement. Now I'll give you more examples. Rohan gave milk is given. Okay, this one. The elephant ate the bananas. Chalo, give me a passive voice for this one.
The banana was eaten by the elephant.
Ma'am, the bananas are eaten by the elephant.
Ma'am, the bananas,
And the bananas
are
were eaten by.
When the bananas are eaten by the elephant.
Very good. All those students who said are, they are correct. The bananas. Why are? Because eat is there. That means it is a present tense. And bananas are plural. So we will have are. The bananas are. The third form of eat is eaten by the elephant. And please see, I have taken the over here also. I've taken the over here also. Okay. What if the sentence had the elephant banana? What will be the sentence now?
And
the banana
was
eaten by the elephant.
Ma'am, the bananas were eaten by the elephant.
The bananas were eaten by the elephant.
Ma'am, the bananas were eaten by the elephant.
Am I audible? Students, am I audible?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
sometimes you are not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. What will be the answer? The banana?
Were
The
eaten by the
bananas were eaten
Were
by the
Elephant. When the bananas were eaten by
Huh? Come on, it is simple.
when the bananas were eaten.
Banana.
and the bananas were eaten by the elephant.
Bacha.
Ma'am, the banana was
Please. Very good. Was eaten. Please see, it is not bananas. It is singular banana. The elephant ate the banana. The banana was eaten by the elephant. And why was? Because ate is the past tense. So out here also we were supposed to have was or were. Banana is singular, so we used was. Now this thing is called subject verb agreement. Is it clear what is subject verb agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in your page number 94, in your book page number 94, page number 94, this table, all of you please tick, write important, write learn. This is what will tell you how to use the tenses. Please see, you've read this table, now I'm just showing you over here. If you have your verb in present tense, for example, eat or eats, in passive you will have is or are depending on singular and plural plus verb's third form. So it will be is, are or am with I and verb's third form eaten. If it is in past tense, for example, ate, in active voice, the passive would be was or were oblique verb's third form. Verb's third form has to be there. If it is future tense, will eat, you have be in between. You will have this thing. We have already done tenses. That is why I first completed the tenses chapter and then I came to active and passive voice. So you will have will always be there. You will use be in this. Then if it is present continuous, that is if ing is there, being is added. Being is added. Plus verb's third form. Third form won't change. It will always be there. With past continuous, it will be again was or were plus being plus verb's third form. It has to be there. There is no form for future continuous. There is no form for perfect continuous, whether it is present, past or future. They do not have any passive form. So any continuation of future continuous, your perfect, present, past or future, they do not have any passive form. It is written in your. Now, if present perfect is there, present perfect means it will have has or have. Wherever you have has and have, what are we supposed to have? What did we do in tenses? What are we supposed to have? It is has and have hai agar. What is one thing that has to be there agar perfect tense hai?
Ma'am,
Come on. One thing, for example, जैसे यहाँ पे continuous में हमेशा being होता है. जब perfect tense होता है तो कौन सी ऐसी चीजें जो होती ही होती है? It is always there.
Ma'am, have.
बेटा has and have तो है ही, वो तो है तभी हमें पता चला है it is perfect. Sorry, someone said the answer. Yes, what it is?
Ma'am, be.
ma'am being. Ma'am being.
Been. Been. Very good. Been. Okay, if it is past perfect, had तो had ही रहेगा, चाहे singular है, चाहे plural है, but you get been. Okay, you get been over here. Plus your verb's third form. For future perfect, have, gone is there, so it will become been over here. Will have. You will always have, whether it is singular or plural. Okay. Is it clear? The same thing is given in your book also. Is, are, being is there, then been is there. With past it is was, were, being for continuous, been for perfect. With future you have be, and perfect you have been. That's it. So we have explained, I've explained you this. Subject verb agreement, I've already told you where you use the verb according to your subject. Tell me the passive voice for this. People speak English. Tell me the passive
English.
voice for this.
English is spoken
English
by
is
people.
spoken by the
Very good.
English is
Very
spoken by people.
correct. English is your object, so it is there. English is singular, so we will use, and speak is present tense, so we will use is. Verbs third form spoken by people, right? Okay, we all saw the beach. Give me the answer.
The beach was seen by we all.
No,
The beach was by us.
correct. The beach was seen by us. The beach, singular, saw is past tense, so was. Third form of saw is seen by us. Now the next topic is this only, that how we change I to me in active and passive voice, page number 98. I want all of you to take this table. How they change the position. I becomes me, we becomes us, he, him, she, her, they, them, you and it remains the same. Okay, and it is vice versa. If me is there, it will change to I. If him is there, it becomes he. So that is how you're supposed to remember. Please take this table, write learn, important. Till here, is everything clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Till here, is this clear to everyone?